Uh, I'll just brief you people on the training first. So how the schedule works and all. Yeah. So the Java training, yeah, basically this is for 8 weeks. Okay. So and this will be for Java technologies, especially Java technology. But when you're working with Java, so you need to also know some non-Java technologies for that 1 week. So what are non-Java technologies? Non-Java technologies includes JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, AngularJS, AngularJS, I'm sorry. Yeah. So these are non-Java technologies which we'll be dealing. And regarding Java, already you might have got the course content. If not, I'll let you know. Okay, don't worry. So um, here, 8 weeks, how the schedule is going to work. Let's see. So every day we'll have the session, okay, for 2 hours. Generally, the schedule you have to spend 2 hours every day, okay, including your meeting joining time. At last, asking questions if there are any. Yes. So basically, the class will be on all the weekdays, okay. All the weekdays will have the session, and you know what? Uh, over the weekend, one day you'll get a break, okay, only for the first couple of weeks. Only for the first couple of weeks you'll get a break over the weekend. That is on Saturday or Sunday, you can decide on which day you want. And from there on, from the third week onwards, there is no break, I'm sorry, on weekends especially. So we'll have a session on Saturday and Sunday as well, but we'll take a break over the weekdays. One day, weekday, I'll give you people a break. Yes. So, how it works on the weekends. So, normally what happens is weekend sessions will be a little longer than usual sessions. They'll be for 3.5 to 4 hours. Okay. So, 3.5 to 4 hours. In between, we'll have a break. Okay. Yes. That is how the weekend schedule works. Sometimes, if the situation demands, we may extend it or may shrink it. But maximum, this is my record. Most of the times, 99% will have the sessions over the weekends. Okay, especially, because that is the time where we can capitalize, we can utilize our time to maximum extent because you'll be free, I'll be free. So it works for us. Okay, so this is one commitment I need from you people. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to learn Java and if you want to learn it in time without dragging it a lot, yes, then you have to spend weekends, okay, along with weekdays also. Okay, yes, one day I'll give you a break over the weekdays. Yes, so every session is recorded. Every session is recorded, and I will be sharing the records with you people. Okay, yes, through the Dropbox folder. Dropbox, I guess, right? All of you. So I will be sharing the records through Dropbox folder. So for suppose, okay, we got a class now. I'm recording it. So once I'm done with it, I'll upload it to the Dropbox. So we'll all have a shared folder. Okay, I'll be using a shared folder. I'll share a folder with you people over the Dropbox. So I will be uploading the records from to that shared folder, and you'll be able to view that records and copy them to your local drive. Okay. So, for suppose now uh, I'm conducting the class, right? So when that record will be available, you may have the doubt. So by afternoon, your time afternoon, yes time afternoon, you'll get the record. Or else my time, once I'm done with the class in couple of hours, I'll be uploading it. Yes. So that means, you never need to miss a class. You don't need to miss a class, right? So sometimes happens, you might be busy because of some issue, a network issue. You may not be able to attend the class, right? So no worries. You can go through the record, come back, and let me know if you got any doubts. Okay? Yes. So regarding the Assignments, I'll be continuously giving assignments. Now that's your job or responsibility to do this assignments. Yes. So, uh, you know, uh, what can you people expect from this training? Yes. So, this is purely a technical training. Okay. So, I'll be dealing with Java technology, and you will find that, I'll try to induce maximum into your brains, whatever it takes, especially we'll be dealing with uh, programming a lot. Yes. So, by the end of the training, uh, what you can expect is if you follow me properly, carefully, and if you people have done all the assignments or tasks which I give, then you can think of yourselves as equal to 2+ years of equal to the people who have got 2+ years of experience. It can be more than that, but minimum I can say that 2+years. You can just compare yourselves with a guy who has got 2+years of experience. That's so hands-on experience. That is what I can say. Yes, definitely I can assure it. Yes. So beyond that, I can't give any other assurances. Yes. So I don't promise. This is assurance. Provided you work, I will work. You have to work. Yes. I need some dedication from you people as well regarding this. Yes. And one thing here, uh, Java technology is vast. The only thing is you should not distract yourselves. So if you're starting now, please concentrate and don't try to distract yourself. Uh, if someone says, okay, Java is vast to learn, don't worry about it. Okay, so if Java is that difficult or that vast to learn, you know, uh, then no one could have learned Java, even including me, right? Yes, so that's not a problem. Don't worry about it. Yes, fine. Now, coming to the technology part, what are the uh, contents, what topics we are going to cover here? I'll give you people a very high level overview of what technologies in Java we are going to deal with. Okay, let's see what we are going to learn here in Java. Yes. So basically, when we talk about Java, yes. So you have to start, if you're a beginner, you have to start learning from Java Standard Edition. Yes. In short, it is called as Java SE. So informally, this is known as Core Java. Informally, this is known as Core Java. Yes. You know what? Java Standard Edition is the building blocks for your Java. Okay, this is your building blocks. This is where from this is the starting point for you people. You have to start from here. Yes, this is where you start. So, uh, you know what topics you'll be covering. Don't worry. I'll assure you people that whatever is important, whatever is needed in standard edition, definitely we'll be discussing about those things. Okay, yes. So regarding the detailed course content, I'll add it to the Dropbox folder. You can go through it. After you're done with the Java Standard Edition, you need to learn Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, Java Enterprise Edition. In short, it is called as JEE. So earlier we used to call it as J2EE. Okay, now it is known as JEE. That's it. Now it is known as JEE. Yes. So this is your advanced or enterprise Java, I can say. Here, I will list down the topics what you're going to learn. Okay, yes, because this is important. Even standard edition is important, but you'll find that more or less in your job profile, in your resumes, you have to put it. Yes, what is it? Let's see. So servlet and JSP APIs. Don't worry, if you don't understand these terms now, servlet or JSPs, what are they? Just I'm trying to list down the topics which you'll be covering. Okay, so you'll have JSTL, an expression language. They are also part of JSPs itself. But okay, so you learn them. And apart from that, you learn XML processing APIs like JAXB, and JAXB. This is Java API for XML processing. JAXB stands for Java Architecture for XML binding. Yes. Next, you will learn JMS, Java Messaging Service, and you learn JAX-WS, which is used to develop SOAP web services, or SOAP-based web services, I can say. So we use JAX-WS to develop and consume SOAP-based web services. So it stands for Java API for XML web services. That is the full form. So we can develop SOAP web services using JAX-WS. And you got JAX-RS, which is used to develop RESTful web services. It stands for Java API for REST, sorry, for XML and REST services, I can say. Yes, RESTful services. Okay, yes. So JAX-RS is used to develop RESTful web services. Okay, so, and one more thing here, you'll find that we'll be talking about JNDI. This is an API which helps you people to interact with the directory server. Java naming and directory interface. Yes. Next, the last thing is EJB3, but the thing is, I'm not going to teach EJB3 for you people. Instead, I'll be giving the records to you people. Yeah. So instead of EJB3, I'm teaching JSF. You'll get JSF instead of EJB3. But EJB3 also you'll get the records. Why I'm not teaching EJB3? Because it is not widely used. Okay, it is not widely used. So in EJB3, these are the concepts or topics for which you'll get the records. Session beans, both stateless and stateful. Just a second. Stateful, and we'll talk about MDBs and JPA, Java Persistence API. So Basically all the APIs which I've mentioned here, APIs means you can think of them as just libraries. So, which you got here, which I've listed down, especially in Enterprise Edition, you will be able to develop. I'm not yet done with the content. I'll let you know. I've got a few more things to tell you. But here, using Enterprise Edition, you can develop two different types of applications here. One is web applications and enterprise applications. So, what are web applications? I guess as of now, everyone who's educated definitely uses web applications. It's not only educated, but even people who are not who are into the business market. Yes, even they use web applications. Everyone, not only educated, I'm sorry. Yes, literates and illiterates, everyone uses web applications. Yes. So when I say a web application, you'll find that these are the applications which we can access over the web or internet, right? Web applications are those applications which we can access them over the web or internet. Yes. So can you people name some web applications which you might have used in your day-to-day life? Yes, of course. You people will be using it, right? Hope you might have done that. So can you people list down few web applications, yes, which you have used in your day-to-day life? Facebook, okay, yes. Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, online shop sites, online bookings if you've done anything like that, your online banks, yes, yes. Is it Rediff? Yeah, Rediff. Google, yes, yeah. So they are all web applications. You know what? Here, IRCTC, yes. You know what? Here we have to definitely, you know, uh, recognize the role played by the web applications in this modern world. Yes, they are the most predominant applications I can say, which are widely used, in our day-to-day lives. I guess most of us now are very much dependent upon these web applications. Yes, we can't imagine our life without the web applications here. They have become part and parcel of our life. We can develop web applications using Java. Okay, so now it is also important to understand the services provided by the web applications. Now you people have named few web applications, right? Basically, what type of services are you people availing from the web services? Sorry, from the web applications. What type of services you're getting from the web applications here? Yes, instant messaging. Okay, yes, that's right. Email services. Yes, you know, you people are fast in using web applications, but you people are slow in answering. Yes, ticket bookings. Yes, searching. I can say banking, email, online bookings can be any type of booking, doctor's appointment, train bookings, air tickets bookings, a hotel booking or whatever it is. Yes. And what else? You see, shopping, online shop. You do online shopping, right? And what else? You see, sharing the data. You see, just now Dropbox. That's also one of the web-based application itself. Yes, all your social networking which you do, that is instant messaging, right? Yes. So these are all different services which are provided by web applications. Okay, even TV also, I guess, we got smart TVs nowadays. Yes, even I have got one. Yes, right. That's also right. You see, fine. So there are many services, name them, name whatever you see. You got many such services. We have just discussed about few services provided with web applications, but here it doesn't stop. It starts here. Yes, fine. There are lot many services. Okay, now the good thing is here you can develop such web applications using Java. So what is the kind of support which Java provides for this? You know, Servlet and JSPs, JSTL, expression language, these are all the things which we use for developing web applications using Java. Okay, servlets and JSP API, servlet and JSP APIs, JSTL expression language. We use this, APIs to develop web applications in Java. And as I told you, people, we got non-Java technologies, right? Yes, of course, you also will be using them. jQuery, Ajax, AngularJS. You see, what else? HTML, JavaScript. They're all used. And I'll also teach you people those non-Java technologies also. But I need one additional week. Apart from 8 weeks, I need one additional week. Okay? Yes. So So not only servlets and JSP APIs are available for developing web applications in Java, but you got some frameworks. Frameworks are from third-party people. They're not officially provided by Java. Like you got some frameworks in Java, especially you got Struts 2. Struts 1 is also there, but we'll be talking about Struts 2. And you got Spring. Spring framework also will help you people to develop web applications. And apart from that, you got JSF. This is also used for developing web applications. As part of our training, you will learn this frameworks as well. Okay? You'll learn this frameworks as well. Yes. So next, okay, even starts to Spring JSF. You can use any one of these frameworks also to develop web applications. Yes. Okay. So now you understood that, okay, Java provides a support for developing web applications and you're going to learn it as part of this training. Next, what else? Enterprise applications. Yes. Can someone describe enterprise applications? Any idea about it? Enterprise applications. Yes. Okay, ERP. GoToMeeting is enterprise application. Banking. Oh, sorry. What? When? Okay. CRM. Yeah. Fine. Yes. So let me brief you people on this. Let me explain you people what is an enterprise application. Yes, that's right. So enterprise applications are those applications which help, oh, sorry, which are specially designed and developed. Okay. Enterprise applications are those applications which are specially designed and developed to cater the needs of an enterprise or a business, I can say. Okay. Enterprise applications are those applications which helps an enterprise in their day-to-day business activities. They are specially designed and developed to help an enterprise or a business in their in executing their day-to-day business activities. Like CRM, yes, ERP, that's right. I can take those applications. So, you know, you'll find that any application which helps a business or an enterprise, you can call it as an enterprise application. Any application, okay, which helps an enterprise. Enterprise means a business. You can call it as an enterprise application. Fine. So you see, we can develop such enterprise applications using Java. Like you see, we got JMS. Even servlets and JSPs can also be used for that purpose. You got JAX, WS, web services we can develop. You can use XML. Enterprises. XML is the most common requirement. So XML processing is the most common thing which you'll do in enterprise applications. You got JAX RS. These are all the APIs, JNDI, EJBs. They are all used to develop enterprise applications. Apart from the standard APIs, even Spring framework can be used for developing enterprise applications. You know, why I'm not teaching EJBs, why I'm providing records? Because, you know, in Java nowadays, enterprise applications are developed using Spring framework, using Spring framework. Okay, so uh, Spring has completely dominated EJBs. Okay, has and rarely people use EJBs for developing enterprise applications. So, but because you should have that knowledge of EJBs also, that's the reason why I'll be providing the records for you people. Okay, EJB records. Yes, fine. So, and there is one more framework here, you know, which helps you people in developing enterprise applications as well as web applications is Hibernate. There's another framework. This is Hibernate. Yeah. So apart from this, you got frameworks like Access to, which is used for developing web services, and Jersey, which is also used for developing web services. Access to for SOAP-based web services. Access to is used to develop SOAP-based web services, whereas Jersey is used for developing RESTful web services. So these are all the things which you'll be learning as part of this training. Okay? Yes. So that means you learn how to develop both web applications and enterprise applications. Yes, most of the times your job profile will be to develop it or to maintain such applications itself. Okay, yes. So apart from this, what else you'll learn here? You'll learn various tools which are going to work. Like you'll learn IDE. You'll be working with Eclipse IDE here, and you'll be working with Maven. So for this batch, I'm trying to also brief you people on repositories, repository rules. Sorry, repository tool. Repository means basically it's a tool, it's a server where your source code will be stored. Like example is CVS. Okay, and we'll be working with database servers, DB servers. We'll be working with web servers, and we'll be working with application servers. Application servers. So these are the various tools which you'll be learning, and that means these are all the softwares which we use in our application development. So along with it, you'll find that I'll be teaching you people a unit testing framework called as JUnit. If time permits, I'll teach you people Mockito also. Mockito. Yes. Otherwise, JUnit is guaranteed. Yes. So these are all the things which we'll be learning as part of this training. Okay? Yes. So these are all the topics which are listed down. So here I'll share the documents which has got more details about this topics. Okay, in detail list of complete topics, and in frameworks also what topics we discuss. All such things I'll add it to the Dropbox folder. Okay. Yes. So this is what you'll be learning or doing in this training. So most of you'll find that our sessions, you know, uh, will be practical oriented. Okay. Sometimes people will ask me, will you just run slides and show us the code snippets in the training, or will you developing the code from the scratch? I say generally I don't run slides, okay? I don't show code snippets, but instead we'll be developing the applications, right from the scratch in front of few people itself, okay? My sessions will be most of the times practical oriented. Yes, that is what I can assure you people. Okay, so regarding the notes, I'll be giving you people running notes itself. You have to make a note of it, and I'll share some reference books which you can go through. Okay? Yes. So this is about the training here. Yes. You people got any doubts or issues in this regard? Please let me know. Yes. So you need not hesitate. You can unmute and talk to me. Okay? Yes. Yes, of course. Definitely. So this is my mail ID. So if you people are interested, so you can what you can do is here you can just place a you can just send me a mail for Dropbox access. Okay, you can send me a mail for Dropbox access. Yes. Okay, so you can contact me through this mail. Fine. So in between, did anyone join Prashant? You joined in between?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm here
Hi.
now.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yes, Prashant.
Uh, the thing is, I already have the copy of the syllabus.
Actually, your voice is little low, Prashant. It seems like you're speaking from your mic is far away. That is what I get an impression. Could you please be little louder? Yes.
Yeah. I got the syllabus of your, like someone sent me the syllabus of that. I gone through that, and it's
Okay.
good. What I- what the, whatever the syllabus I am expecting is there in that.
Okay.
So that's what. I'm good with this. I can take the course now.
Yes, yes, sure. Yeah, so that is what I was also listing you people, and briefly I'm trying to just give an overview of important topics what we cover. Okay, that is what I was trying to mention now and what we can do with these technologies. Yes. So, yeah. Mm, so any questions? Yes, anyone got any questions? Okay. Regarding the timings, the class timings will be same. And one thing for this, especially this week for 3, 4 days or 4 days, 4 to 5, 4, 5 days, 4 days maximum. What happens is we'll be having the sessions for 1 hour itself, okay? 1 to 1.5 hour, just for 4, 5 days. After that, I'll be increasing the time, okay? Yes, because there are few topics left over for an existing batch, so there is an ongoing batch, so I have to just give them 1 hour at least, so that I can complete it and wrap the course for them. So that's the reason why this week the session 4 days it will be for 1 hour itself. Every day we'll have it for 1 hour. Okay. Yes. Uh, Small adjustment. Yep. Okay, that's all. So to join the meeting every day, you have to use the same meeting link. Okay. So to join the meeting, you need to use the same meeting link, and the class, as I told you people, so it will be for 2 hours generally from next week onwards, and the training will be for 8 weeks for Java technologies, whatever I've mentioned. And for non-Java technologies, you'll have one additional week. Non-Java technologies means you know, your JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, and AngularJS. Yeah, good thing is you're going to learn AngularJS as well. Okay, so because people were, asking me in previous batches to teach this AngularJS also, so I've included it. Yes, that's it. Fine. So, so if there are any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll wrap it here today, and we'll meet tomorrow, and we are going to start with the subject tomorrow. Okay, we are going to start with the actual topics from tomorrow. Okay. Yes.
Hello, Magesh. Deepak here.
Yeah, Deepak. Yes.
Magesh, I was just wondering, the class timings, is there any chance can we start like an hour earlier? Because over here it's nearly 12 o'clock. I'm from Melbourne, so
Okay.
I don't know,
Mm-hmm.
because it's too late for me in the sense,
Uh,
if you're gonna go for 2 hours from 11
okay.
o'clock.
Okay. Are you working, Deepak?
I do, yeah, if I would have
Uh,
worked full time,
okay.
so
Oh, okay. Is it possible for you in the morning as well, your time?
no, actually only in the evening time. So I would
Oh.
say,
Mm-hmm.
um, yeah, Indian time maybe 5:30 to 7:30 or something.
Uh-huh. Oh, 5:30 will be too early for me as well. But others also,
Mm-hmm.
I guess. So, 5:30 will be little early for me as well. So
Mm-hmm.
the thing is, there is a bad. I'm going to start another batch, after a couple of weeks, or 10 days, a couple of weeks, I can say. That means first week of September. That will be at 6:30 a.m. Indian time. So I guess if you can attend that class, or that is also fine, that batch. So Indian time, 6:30 a.m. So that will be in the morning for you. I guess it is almost afternoon, no, morning itself, I guess, for you. 10, 10:30, 11. That time you're working.
Yeah, I work from 9 to 5, so I think,
Okay. Okay,
yep,
it's
yep.
too late for you now this time. Okay, we'll see. I'll let you know, Deepak. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll mail you.
And, and what about the weekend classes and timings?
Weekend classes also, generally, I'll be starting at, this time, around this time, Saturday.
Yep,
Or it will be in Sunday mornings, Sunday morning Indian time. That
yep.
means it will be around, it can be 4:30, 5 or 6 o'clock, between that time.
6 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, Indian time. 4:30 also, 4:30 morning, 4:30 morning class will be there. Yes.
Okay.
For you guys, it will be around 8 o'clock. For US people, I guess it is in the evening. Yes.
Yep, okay. That's cool. That's it.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So any other queries? Yes. Cool. Okay. So any other queries? Okay then. So because this is the first day, so I'll stop it here today. Okay. Just we had a introduction, and I've briefed you people on what we'll be doing in this training. Yes, this is what I've got to say. Yes. So we'll meet tomorrow again. Okay, at our regular time, and we'll continue our training. Okay. Thank you all. So bye bye. Have a great day. And for some, it's good night, I guess. Good night. Yes. Okay. Bye bye.